Hello everyone, and it's me again, and I'm gonna show you how to do nose piercing, but not those little ones that you just hook up, those big ones that you put right in here, okay? And again, I was using this, and I got one, again, but like, it's not the same one. I don't know where the hell I put it. Okay, so I made it big, I guess, because it comes big. Oh. My boo-boo still hurts. Okay, so as soon as you like do it that small, that skinny, you put it like on your nose and be like, yeah. And it's not the ones that you like. You put the one what's it called? It's still there. Oh, bitch. Alright, so, you can wear like that when, instead of wearing those little bowie thingies here with glue. And then, when you be taking pictures, you'll be like, and then, you could do this, widen it. Oh, it tickles my nose. Okay. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Okay. Let's see. My nose is kind of. Oh. Don't do like I did. I got it. Okay. Don't do that when you're gonna do nose piercing. Also, when you're gonna do the little thingy, make sure you use glue. Okay, you know what, guys? Like, subscribe, and comment what you think about the nose piercing. And I'm out, and see you on my next video that I'm about to do. Ooh, sorry guys. I'm about to do now. Alright, bye guys.